everybody, I'm Susan from Senior Style. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty hot here in BC, so hopefully where you're at it's nice. I have a unboxing today from Fashionphile. It's a Fendi item that's very super hard to get, and there was a little drama on the UPS, but we got that worked out. And it finally came today, so I'm pretty happy about that. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome in. Please like, subscribe, share, and comment is always appreciated. And make sure you hit the bell to be notified every time I upload videos, and that's normally once or twice a week. And if you're returning, thanks so much for coming back. And make sure you hit the subscribe button, please. Alright, thanks a lot, guys. Alright, so let's go ahead and came in a box like this. Let's unbox it and see what I got. Got my blade. And Fashionphile is always party in a box, so we'll see what we got. So, just a tip. If you're getting anything from Fashionphile, because they do have some items that are worth getting. Some are not, because the prices are more than retail, so you definitely don't want to do that. But the hard to find items, if you feel that it's worth it, then go for it. However, a tip is if you're getting it shipped internationally, you may or may not have to pay for shipping, but you probably do. And another thing too is you'll have to pay duty. So depending on the item and depending on where you live, that may or may not be worth it. And also another thing too to keep in mind is if you have a P.O. box, UPS does not ship to that. So if you need to order something from any of the international places, you need to put your physical address in it. Otherwise, when you are tracking your package, it will just kind of become a nightmare because you have to call the UPS center, which takes a long time on hold. Plus, none of the people can update your new address, because Fashionphile for some reason restricts that. So in order for me to get my package, I had to talk to the supervisor, and he was willing to change to my physical address, because where we live, we can only get our mail at the post office, not at our house. So it makes it kind of hard. So that's just some tips to keep in mind. Alright, otherwise you're going to have a delay. Alright, so we're in the box. Potty in the box. We got potty. That's what it looks like. Fashionphile. We got potty.
Yeah. Party, no booze.
Fashionphile. I like my money where I can see it hanging in my closet. So there we go. Alright, they give you a thank you, which is nice. Alright. And then here's the receipt. Fashionphile. Used is the new sticker. Alright. I'll give you a Fashionphile dust bag, which are nice. And it's the drawstring style. So that's kind of cool. I don't have a drawstring one. Yep. Okay, that's pretty nice. Alright, let's see what I got here. Oh, it's bigger than I thought. I thought it was smaller than this, but that's okay. I got a pouch with the yellowed-eyed Fendi monster. And I might be able to put my Samorga in this and turn this into a bag. You know, like the Toiletry 26. That might be an idea. Cool. Alright, what did I get? Oh, I got the original dust bag. Fendi. Alright, that's a drawstring. Okay, that's cool. Because a lot of times you don't get the dust bag, so. Alright, that's very cool. What else did I get? I got a Fendi thing, but it has nothing on it. It just says Fendi. And what else here? I guess that's about it. Alright, so it's just Fendi inside there, if you can see. And there's no pockets or anything, it's just one big hole. And on the other side it says Fendi Roma. It's all leather. You can kind of see it there. Alright, and then you have the remove the tag and you own the bag. So this is calfskin monster eye pouch. Comes with dust bag. Alright. This is going to look perfect with my monsters. And maybe I'll go ahead and put, if I can, I might be able to attach Fosco, my new Fendi monster, to it. And then I can use it like as a purse. Huh, it's pretty cool. And it had a few dents like in the front, but that wasn't a big deal. They look like little dents. I don't know where they came from. Kind of strange. But otherwise, it looks perfect. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with the eyes or anything like that. The stitching is all good. So yeah, this is a keeper. I'm really super happy to get it. These are very hard to come by, and this will match perfectly with my other items. So if you want to see my yellow-eyed Fendi collection, let me know, and I'll be more than happy to put that together for you. Alright, that's my Fashionphile Fendi unboxing for my yellow-eyed monsters, and I just love the monsters. They're so cool. It's like I say, you either love them or you hate them, but how can you hate a monster? So there you go. Alright, so let me know below if you have any Fendi monsters or you're going to be getting any in the near future. They're very hard to come by and they're very rare. So if you're going to be getting any Fendi monsters, make sure you jump on it while you can. Because as soon as they hit the pre-love, they're gone. So don't hesitate. Alright, so thanks for watching Susan from Senior Style from a senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.